Hi all, this is Hema. In today's video, let's see about doing chores. Yes, doing chores is like a very difficult task for every one of us. But do you know that doing chores is also a very good stress busting activity? Let me give you a little brief onto this. Chores are nothing but a small activity like a menial job which we used to do it on daily basis for our own. Some of us might have some kind of a maid or servant services, but still these are an essential part of our life. Say for example, doing dishes, cleaning the place, dusting off, washing clothes, all these are under chores. Household chores are very common. When it comes to official chores, we don't actually mind it. But the biggest benefit of doing a chore is like very hidden because of our lifestyle change. Doing chores can help you a lot in relaxation and bust your stress in just few minutes. Don't believe me? Please try it by yourself. First of all, just imagine you are coming after work where you have put all your effort into your office work and some of your very good suggestions are being rejected for no reason. That same stress and frustration will be there even after you reach home. That will be reflected onto your daily job like driving, like mingling with your family and all those. But immediately if you do a small chore kind of an activity, say for example doing dishes or washing some clothes, very few dusting of some of the important places of your room, this helps you relax your prefrontal lobe, and this in turn helps you bust your stress in just few minutes. Don't believe me? Please try it. This is something a very essential part because this gives us an immediate feel of satisfaction and completion. And this doesn't actually require much of our brain, and it obviously requires just a little more physical effort. This is a wonderful step which can help you bust your stress in just few minutes. This is actually a very effective step suggested by many scientists across the globe. But due to our lifestyle and ignorance of various forms, we try to forbid ourselves from doing chores. Most of us don't like it. When my mom, when your mom, when our spouse complained about this, we never bothered to do it. But yes, overcoming this lifestyle is what can give us a real stress busting exercise. Many people around the world who have no routine life without chores have faced a lot of health issues like heartaches, heart attacks, stroke and much more complicated diseases. Whereas people who are into regular practice of doing chores like a very menial job like washing dishes, washing clothes, cleaning the floor and all those, they are much healthier than the people who don't have it. Some of us might think, hey, this is not my status is far behind it. I have a person to do it, I have dedicated staff behind it, why would I do such kind of a menial job? Well, my dear friend, for your aging factor, I'll tell you a secret. To reduce the aging factor in your life from your gene, chores are the best remedy for your entire life. Don't believe me? Please try it by yourself. And please if you really like this video, if you really understood the real effort of it and the experience of it, please like us, comment and share this video if you really like. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. If you didn't, please subscribe now. Thank you. Take care. Bye.